do fun stuff together with artist Drew Rockington and catstronaut Waffles.
Hey everybody, it's Waffles and it's Drew. Drew.
Yeah?
What happened to your head?
What do you mean? I mean, it's me. It's the same head I've always had.
Yeah, but you are missing your hat.
Oh, my hat. Where's my hat? Waffles, where's my hat? I don't know. I don't know if we can do a show without my hat. Shark, you found my hat. Shark. Oh, thank you so much, Shark. Oh, Shark, thank you for finding that hat. I don't know if we could have done a show without my hat.
There we go. That's the Drew I know. That's the Drew I recognize.
Okay, whoo. Back on track, everybody. Whoa, there it is. We're just gonna have hair everywhere today. Speaking of hair everywhere, today is Friday. Oh, yeah, yep, today is Friday, and that means
Cat Day.
yeah, cat day. That means we're gonna look at another type of cat, another breed of cat, and we're gonna draw another cat portrait. Are you ready to go find another cat?
I'm always ready to find new friends. Cats. Yeah, let's go check out those cats.
Okay, we're gonna jump into our cat thing. Ooh, Waffles. Let's open up the book. Well, Waffles, I marked the page if you want to go.
I might want to read all of it. The complete cat breed book. Let's read. Oh, and then it says the complete cat breed book again. And then, oh, hi. And then contents. Okay, introduction. Okay, Waffles, I'm gonna take over. This is a little slow, so we're just gonna jump right to the one we wanna talk about today. Oh, ooh, this is really cool. Yeah, this is called the Toiger.
It's like a toy tiger, I'm guessing. So we're gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see the book. And we'll refocus. Cool, look at this. The Toiger. Look at these cool stripes and the big ears. It has a long, broad head. So it says this companionable and intelligent breed is a stunningly beautiful designer cat. It's kind of weird. They're talking about cats like they're talking about like shoes or backpacks, like, ooh, it's a designer. But I don't know. I guess some people really get into their cats and they really want to find a really cool looking one. This is so cool. It says the Toiger is confident and outgoing, but has a relaxed attitude on life, which allows it to fit well into any household. It's active and athletic and can easily be taught to play games or go for a walk on a lead. So if you've ever seen anyone out walking their cat on a little lead or a leash, it might be a Toiger if it has stripes, because these cats like to go for walks. This is really cool. This is so cool. All right, well, let's see. I really like this Toiger. I would love to draw it with you today. And then maybe we can work in some of its active and athleticness into this drawing. So I love this pose though. This Toiger kind of like, let's all make that pose right now. Like it's looking at something, it's thinking about something. Let's go ahead and make that pose. Ready? Hey, I'm looking at you. This one right here. Waffles, do you want to make the pose with me?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, here we go. Ready, Waffles? We're gonna do it at the same time. We're gonna make the pose at the same time.
I'm ready. Okay, ready?
Okay, we look just like that Toiger.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna go to my drawing station and you go to yours. Okay, great.
Hey, there we go. We lost the sound. I tried something new and I forgot to include our sound. So, live thing, I'm adding in. There we go. Now we got music, now we got sound. Wow, we just did that whole cat drawing without any sound. Oh, what a bummer. Okay, here's what we did then. I'll go through it really quick again so we can catch up. So we did a circle at the top, and then we did a potato here, and then we did 2 breadsticks for the legs. We drew a half of heart on each side for the back legs, and then we drew tiny little eggs down here for the paws. Then we came back up and we did our line across for the eyeballs, and then a line down the middle for where the nose is. And we drew our eyes, you know, using that line as kind of like the middle of the eye. We did these rainbow on the top and a rainbow on the bottom to connect them together. And then the nose, we drew a triangle with a loop and a loop. And then finally we drew the cat mouth. Okay, now what we were going to do is we're going to go back through and we're going to add some tiger stripes. So the tiger stripes, you're just going to do lines right now to kind of figure out. But if you look at this drawing, there's definitely the stripes. I'm going to get my book to kind of show you too. So that we can see. Look at this. We have 2 cats. Let's see if they're, look, twins. Haha. Okay, so you can see that there's kind of like this line down the middle of the cat where the stripes are doing mirror images of each other. So we're gonna try to do that. We're gonna think of that. We're gonna put a line in our cat straight down the middle, and whenever stripe we do on one side, we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So we're just gonna put in quick lines real quick. Quick lines real quick. That's what we're gonna do. Thanks for letting me know about that sound, Waffles.
Oh, no problem.
Okay. Wait, Cyclops, aren't you the sound engineer? Oh yeah, TGIF everybody. Whoops. Okay, great. Cyclops. Someday we'll get you a real sound engineer booth and you'll be able to really handle all the sound that's going on. In the meantime, we're just drawing tiger stripes. It's pretty cool. We're gonna do some quick ones just to kind of figure out where they're gonna go. Tiger stripe, tiger stripe, tiger stripe. And then we're gonna go tiger stripes on the legs. And then we're gonna do our tail. We can figure that one out with our marker. Okay, and then in the belly, right there in the middle, it looks like there's just like little spots. So we're gonna just add some little tiger spots. Cool. And then around the head, let's go back and look at this head up close. Oh look, they have a great picture of the head. You can see it's, you know, there's stripes kind of coming down over the eyebrows and then just around the edge. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna have them come down over the eyebrows and then just around to, you know, kind of up on the eyes, and then the rest is gonna be our big whiskers. Cool, and this cat has pretty short hair, so what we're gonna do, we can show that short hair when we ink. Okay, who's ready to ink? Are we ready to ink? I think we're ready to ink now. Here we go. We're gonna grab our marker. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop penciling, and I'm gonna start inking. Okay, we're gonna start up at this ear, and we're gonna go up it, and what I was talking about, that short hair, is every once in a while I'm just gonna do, you know, kind of like when you get to the end of something, just do quick little flicks of your pen, just so it gives the smooth line, boop, boop, just a little bit of, you know, variance in it, just a little bit of texture. So up the ear, tick, tick, just a couple little tick, tick, ticks of your pen, and then down. Here we go. We're gonna follow this around, and then we got our cat down to the neck. We can do a little chin. Just kind of follow around that circle that you drew for the head, just a little bit.
I'm gonna go to this side, follow it around to the shoulder. I'm gonna come out a little bit, and I'm gonna go tick, tick, add just a little bit of fur to it. And then follow this line all the way down to the paw. And then I'm gonna draw my paws. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect them. Big cat paws. And then we're gonna draw the inside leg. Tick, tick. Here we go. That's cool. There we go. Good job. Now let's do the other side. Same thing. Coming down the side. Tick, tick. Just every once in a while, a nice little flick of the pen gives you the feeling that it's, fuzzy and not smooth. It's a real cat, not a toy cat, even though it is a toyger. Ha 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 ha. Ah ha 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 ha. Ah, if you can't laugh at your own jokes, then they're not jokes. They are just things you're saying. Okay, here we go. We got our cool cat paws, our front paws. Let's go ahead and do our side paws. I'm turning my page so I don't accidentally smear what I'm drawing. And then I'm only gonna do a couple of the toes of the paw because you don't see everything. It's kind of tucked behind there. Then got our big leg over here. This cat has one big leg. Maybe this is the leg that it's all muscular because it does all the kicking and jumping and things like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. There's our toes. And then we're gonna do a cat tail. Going around it. And every once in a while, do that click, click. Little flick of the pen to show you got some fur. Click, click, click. It's really subtle, but it really helps just kind of make your drawing come alive a little bit. Click, click, click. And you get to make that fun noise. Click, click, click. Click, click, click. Cool. Now let's go do our cat's face. Yay! Okay, here we go. Here's those eyes. So we're gonna go up and around, and then down and around, up and around, down and around. And we're gonna draw our little cat eyes in there. Cool. Then go ahead and shade them in. Okay, now let's do our nose. So we're gonna draw a triangle, and we're gonna follow around these loops. Here's the tip of the triangle, there's the other loop. And then let's go ahead and draw these cat cheeks. Okay, then let's go ahead and add our whiskers in. And then we're gonna draw the inside of our cat ears. So we're just gonna follow along those ears just a little bit. Not even all the way on the other side. Okay, now I think we're ready to draw some stripes. So we're gonna start in the forehead, and I'm gonna do my stripes by doing these little hash marks just on top. I'm not gonna draw them like a line. I'm gonna draw them just like I'm drawing tiny dots next to each other. Maybe I'll add little stripes next to that too. And then here you can see the stripes coming up. More stripes. Okay, now we're gonna get into the stripes on the actual body. And remember, whatever you do on one side, you do on the other side, because it's kind of got this mirror image thing going on. And see how I'm making those stripes? I'm just doing quick little vertical lines next to each other so they look like they're part of the fur. not so that they're not, they're not just like a horizontal line going across. I'm drawing the stripes in the same direction that the cat fur is, just to kind of show that these are, they're part of the fur. It's not just like what do you call that? Not just like stickers or something on the cat. Okay, here we go. Some more stripes. This is looking really cool. Maybe we can add some more little detail in the middle if you want to. Then we're gonna go. What's the song you sing when you make stripes? Mine goes ding 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 ding. Here's some more. Here's these little stripes in the belly. Whoa. Great. And now I'm gonna do this leg, and I'm gonna jump back and forth between the legs because I want to make sure I'm getting that mirror image. So like this one went up, and then this one went up, and then this one went down. So the other one goes down. I'm gonna do straight across, maybe a tiny one. What else do we got? Ooh, this one can go straight up. This one can go straight up. And then maybe one coming from this side, and one coming from this side, and then one that goes up and down. And then this one goes up and down. And then we'll do some little ones, little one, and then a little one, and a little one. And we did it. There's the legs, the front paws. Okay, now we're gonna do just hints of it on these back legs. Whew, how's everybody's drawing hands? Maybe we should put our pen down and do a stretch. Stretch out those fingies. Flip your hand over, stretch them out that way. Shake your hand. Okay. Whew. All right, pick up your pen again. It's time to get back to work. Break's over. Here we go. One more leg and then a tail to do. So, I'm just gonna continue with tiger stripes. Lots of cool tiger stripes, but it's gonna be worth it. This already is looking like a really cool cat. What a cool cat. Stripes, 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 stripes. We're gonna, one more little one on that leg. That's awesome. Now let's go ahead and do the tail. We're gonna do same thing, just little dashes of the tail. And then we're gonna get heavier and heavier stripes as we get to the edge of the tail. Okay, and then it's important to make sure that your tail ends with the end of the tail covered in a stripe. This is really great. Okay, awesome, sauceum. Let's go ahead and add just a couple details. It said this cat is very athletic and it likes to, jump around and everything. So let's go ahead and give this cat some athletic gear. Like, what should we give this cat? Well, let's go ahead and, if it likes being athletic, let's go ahead and give it a water bottle. It's important to stay hydrated when you're exercising. So I'm drawing that water bottle by, basically you draw a rectangle and then you draw a little circle on it. And then this, you draw like a tiny little can on top of that. So that's where you drink the water from and everything. So we're gonna add that to our cat. And then on this side, let's see, how do we make it athletic? Let's go ahead and we'll add like a big ball behind it.
we'll say that this Toiger loves to play soccer or football in Europe. So drawing a soccer ball is the hardest thing in the world, I think, because it's a circle, but it has hexagons on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a circle, and then we're gonna draw a circle within that circle. And then we're gonna turn this circle into a hexagon. Here we go. And then we're going to connect straight lines out to the edge of the soccer ball. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to shade in every other hexagon. That. And it will give the appearance of a soccer ball. Okay, cool beans. Let's go ahead and ink those real quick. Here we go. We'll add a sports bottle. I'm doing some details to the top. Circle across, or an oval across. Here's the top. I'm gonna add tiny little lines in it. Those are like the grippies of a jar if you need to, you know, unscrew the jar. And then here's our water bottle. Maybe it says fresh on the side. Ooh, so fresh. Great. And then let's go ahead and add our soccer ball here. Cool. We're gonna draw our hexagon in the middle and then do our lines straight out. You know, soccer balls are made of even more hexagons than we drew, but again, I think soccer balls are the hardest things to draw in the world because of all those crazy angles you have to draw. So we're just gonna draw, this is like a cat soccer ball. You know, it's a cat soccer ball. Cool. And then let's go ahead and give this cat a little treat. We'll give it just a tiny fish, maybe a couple little sardines right there for it to enjoy after it's worked out. Done its athletics for the day. We're gonna do a tiny little shadow. So I made just a little puddle. I'm gonna shade it in underneath. Here we go. Very cool. And remember, this is called a Toiger. So we need to name this cat. This cat will be named Blap. That's what my son would name it. He's 4. I asked him, Simon, what are you thinking about? And he just said Blap the other day. So this is Blap the Toiger. And then don't forget to sign your name to your artwork. D. Brockington, that's how I sign my name. You can sign your name, how your name is signed, or spelled or said. Very cool. All right, and we did it. We made a Toiger. This is a Toiger cat. Very cool, very exciting to see. I love this. I love this so much. Blap, the Toiger. I would love to see your cats that you just drew, your portraits of this cat. If you would like to share your drawing with me, go ahead and hop on Twitter or Instagram with permission and take a picture of your drawing and tag me at the Brockart. I would love to see this. I would love to be able to share this with the other viewers. That would be super cool. Speaking of share with the viewers, we had a drawing sent in by Pearl. Pearl is in 7 years old and she is in first grade, and she drew, this is so many cats, so Cat Day, I thought I'd share it. It's the 6 cats that work in mission control in the Catstronauts book. This is so cool. There's the world's best scientist with the glasses, and then there's Flight Director Maisie with the headset, and there's Glumdalum with the heart shirt, and Luna next to her with the purple dress, and then there's Elvis with the bow tie, and then last but not least is Patches. Or Ozzy? Patches. I think that's Patches. I don't even know. There's so many cats, I don't even know. But Pearl, thank you so much for sending this in and letting me share it. This is such a cool drawing. They're all so happy. I love that they're holding hands. That is amazing, amazing, amazing. But so I would love to see some more drawings. So go ahead and tag me at the Brock Art. Take a photo of your drawing and share it with me. If you would like a chance to win Blap the Toiger, go ahead and, again, with permission, hop on Instagram after the show. I'll be posting a picture of Blap. And go ahead and find me at the Brock Art and leave a comment in the comments section, and you will be entered to win this drawing of Blap sent to you. Once again, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us for another week of Let's Do Fun Stuff Together. Did you have fun this week, Waffles? Yeah, I had a great time. And Drew? Yes, Waffles. I'm so happy you found your hat. Whew! I know, that was a close call. My hair situation is under control. Everyone, have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday for more Let's Do Fun Stuff Together. Take care, everyone. Bye.